This is your chapter force and pressure, and in previous two lectures we studied about the torque, that is moment of force, and second moment of force, and second is pressure. And we also solved some numerical problems based on the moment of force and pressure. In this lecture we will study about the application of torque and clockwise and anti-clockwise movements. First of all, what is the moment of force? If we apply a force and there is a rotation after application of force, then moment of force in that case is equal to product of force and perpendicular distance. Moment of force is equal to product of force and perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. In this case, what is the moment of force? In this case, moment of force is equal to F, that is the applied force. This is your F, applied force, into D. D is the perpendicular distance between the line of action of force, this is the line of action of force, and axis of rotation, this is the axis of rotation O, and this distance is the perpendicular distance. Therefore, moment of force in this case is equal to force into perpendicular distance, that is D. Now, if we apply a force and force produce clockwise rotation, in that case moment of force is said to be clockwise. What is the clockwise moment of force? If we apply a force and force produce clockwise rotation, this is your clockwise rotation after application of force, then moment of force is clockwise movement. And if after the application of force the rotation is anti-clockwise, in that case moment of force is anti-clockwise movement. This figure show the clockwise movement and this figure show anti-clockwise movement. According to sign convention, anti-clockwise movement is taken as positive. There are two types of movement, that is anti-clockwise and clockwise movement. For anti-clockwise movement we use the positive sign, this is your anti-clockwise movement, and for anti-clockwise movement we use the positive sign, and for clockwise movement we use the negative sign. If moment of force, if you apply a force and there is a clockwise rotation, then torque produces negative, and if there is a clockwise anti-clockwise rotation, in that case torque is positive. Therefore, we use the sign convention for represent the clockwise movement and anti-clockwise movement. When we want to fix a screw in wood, we exert a clockwise movement on it using a screwdriver. To fix a screw on a wood, we exert a clockwise movement and on it using a screwdriver, and if we want to unfix the screw from wood, then there should be anti-clockwise movement. This is your clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Now next is application of moment of force. Before starting the application of moment of force, let's discuss what is the moment of force. Moment of force is the product of force and perpendicular distance, or we can also say that torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance, from the axis of rotation. This is your torque, that is force into perpendicular distance. If torque is constant, and we increase the perpendicular distance, in that case there is decrease in force. For constant torque or constant movement of force, if we increase the perpendicular distance, in that case we need less force for moment of force or for rotation. For example, in case of door, this is your door and this is the axis rotation of the door. If we increase the distance, we need less force to produce a turn. Therefore, we apply a force at this edge because this edge is at maximum distance from the axis of rotation. With increase in distance, there is decrease in force. In that case, we need small force to produce a turn or to open or close the door. That's why in case of door, handles are provided at the edge of the door. Why handles are provided at the edge of door? Handles are provided at the edge of door because there is increase in distance, and due to increase in distance there is decrease in force if torque is constant. If torque is constant, because torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. So with increase in perpendicular distance there is decrease in force for constant torque. This is the application of torque, that is for a small force we increase the distance. So with increase in distance we need small force to produce the same term. Let's discuss the examples. First of all, a handle is fixed on the door at the maximum possible distance from the hinges. Why? Because maximum possible in this case we increase the perpendicular distance. And torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. We increase the perpendicular distance, therefore there is a decrease in force for constant torque. That's why we provide handle at maximum distance from the hinges. This increases the moment of force applied on the door, and door can easily be opened or shut. That is, we need very small force to open the door or shut the door. Second, we prefer use a wrench or spanner with a long arm. To unscrew for a nut. Why we use the long arm wrench? Because with the long arm we increase the perpendicular distance. So with increase in perpendicular distance, because torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance, with increase in perpendicular distance there is decrease in force for constant torque. That's why we use the wrench with long arm. We prefer to use a spanner with a long arm so that turning moment of force is more and the nut can easily made loose or tight. Next, a machine use a screwdriver for a long and thick arm. Again, we use the long arm. With the use the long arm, we increase the perpendicular distance, and with increase in perpendicular distance we need small force, and we apply small force to loose or tight the screw. A machine uses a screwdriver with a long and thick arm so that moment of a given force is large and the screw can easily made loose or tight. Next, the hand operator floor grinder used in village home is provided with the handle near its rim. Here handle is provided with near its rim because this is the axis of rotation. This grinder rotate about this axis, and we put handle at a maximum distance because we increase the distance, and with increase in distance we need small force for the rotation. That's why we provide handle at the edge. The handle operator floor grinder used in village home is provided with the handle near its rim. As a result, perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and axis rotation of the grinder is maximum, and grinding stone of the floor grinder can be rotate easily. That is, in this case we need small force for the rotation of grinder easily, even with the less force. These are the examples. There are some more examples, that is potter wheel. The potter put a wooden rod normally at a point near the circumference of wheel and applied a force on the rod. The turning effect of force make the wheel rotate about its axis at faster rate. To increase the torque, we apply a force at the edge. Cycling a bicycle, this is the also example of moment of force. This is the also example of moment of force. We apply a tangential force on the steering, and with the small tangential force we produce the large moment and large torque. Steering wheel of automobile, this is the example of steering wheel. Hand operator fodder cutting machine juicer and handle is provided near the rim of the large size. When the force is applied on the handle, it produces a large movement and the machine works smoothly at the faster rate. Last is a seesaw work on the principle of turning moment of force. When child sit on one side of seesaw, the force due to his weight produce turning moment. This is the turning moment produced by this girl, and this is the turning moment produced by this girl. In both the cases, in this case torque produced is anti-clockwise, there is anti-clockwise movement. In this case there is a clockwise movement, and both the movement are in opposite direction. If two children sit on the opposite side on seesaw, the turning movement are mutually opposite direction. This is your opposite, and both are in opposite direction and may balance, and due to opposite direction they may be balanced. In such a case, seesaw remain in equilibrium state, because at balance point the equilibrium state is attained. Therefore seesaw in this situation is in equilibrium. These are the application of moment of force or torque. Thank you, students.